Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family, welcome to my YouTube channel Mirabin Deruba Entertainment. So friends, today topic is Dorothy meets a scarecrow. OME grade 3. So friends, let's start. Words to know, guess, to look at something steadily, grateful, thankful, ripe, ready to eat or pick. Scarecrow, a human-shaped figure often made by stuffing straw into cloths that is used to scare away birds from crops. So friends, let's start the story. Dorothy walked along the road. It was made of yellow bricks. When she had gone some miles, she needed to rest. She climbed to the top of the fence beside the road and sat down. Her dog Toto was also tired. He lay down on the ground by the fence. There was a large cornfield on the other side of the fence, and in the field there was a scarecrow. Dorothy gazed at the scarecrow. Its head was a small sack stuffed with straw. Its face was pointed on the sack. It had an old pointed blue hat on its head. On its body, it wore a blue suit of faded cloth which had also been stuffed with straw. On the feet were some old boots. The scarecrow was tired to all pull. It was there to scare the birds and stop them from eating the ripe corn. While Dorothy was looking at the pointed face of the scarecrow, she was surprised to see one of the eyes slowly wink at her. She thought she must have imagined it. Then the scarecrow nodded its head to her in a friendly way. Dorothy climbed down from the fence and walked up to it. Toto ran around the pole and barked. "Good day," said the scarecrow. "You did not just speak, did you?" asked the girl in wonder. "Certainly," answered the scarecrow. "How do you do?" "I'm pretty well, thank you," replied Dorothy politely. "How do you do?" "I'm bored," said the scarecrow. "It is very dull being stuck up here night and day to scare away crows." "Can't you get down?" asked Dorothy. "No, this pole is stuck up my back. Please help me get down." Dorothy reached up both arms and lifted the scarecrow off the pole. He was quite light because he was only stuffed with straw. She set him down on the ground. "Thank you very much," said the scarecrow. "I feel much better." Dorothy was so surprised to hear a straw man speak. The scarecrow stretched and yawned. "Who are you?" asked the scarecrow. "And where are you going?" "My name is Dorothy," said the girl, "and I am going to the Emerald City," said the scarecrow. "And who is Oz?" "Why don't you know?" she replied in surprise. "No, I don't know anything. You see, I am stuffed with straw, so I have no brain at all," he answered sadly. "Oh," said Dorothy, "I am sorry for you. Do you think," he asked, "if I go to the Emerald City with you, that Oz would give me some brains?" "I don't know," she replied. "Come to the Emerald City with me, Toto. You can ask the great Oz for a brain. What if he does not give me one?" "You should try anyway," said Dorothy. "You have nothing to lose. Try, that is true," said the scarecrow. "You see, I don't mind my legs and arms and body being stuffed because I cannot get hurt. If anyone treads on my toes or sticks a pin into me, it does not matter because I can't feel it." Dorothy listened carefully and nodded. She was amazed to see the scarecrow walking and talking. "But I do not want people to call me a fool. If my head stays stuffed with straw, how will I ever know anything?" "I understand how you feel," said the little girl, who was truly sorry for him. "If you will come with me, I will ask urged to do all he can for you. Thank you, he answered gratefully. Dorothy, Toto, and the Scarecrow walked to the fence. They climbed over it and started walking along the yellow brick road towards the Emerald City. Toto sniffed around the strawman. He growled as if he suspected there might be a nest of rats in the straw. He was behaving in an unfriendly way because he did not know the Scarecrow. Don't mind, Toto, said Dorothy to her new friend. He never bites. Oh, I'm not afraid, replied the Scarecrow. He can't hurt the straw. Toto, be nice, said Dorothy to her dog and bent down to pet him. Then he picked up her basket and they began walking again. Let me carry the basket for you. I will not get tired, said the Scarecrow. I will tell you a secret, he continued. I am only afraid of one thing. What is that? Asked Dorothy. Is it he farmer who made you? No, answered the Scarecrow. It's a lighted match. So friends, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz my YouTube family and bye bye.